Imagine this: your phone is dead, the internet is down, and you have no way to contact loved ones or get vital information. In a grid-down scenario, communication transforms from a convenience to a lifeline. Learn to use ham radios. These bad boys can transmit over long distances, even without cell towers or internet. Signal mirrors can be seen for miles, and knowing how to send up distress signals could attract help. These visual and auditory communication methods might seem outdated, but they can be lifesavers when all other forms of communication fail. Establish predetermined meeting points with family and your network. If you get separated, these designated locations become your rallying points. Remember, communication is about more than just words. It's about staying informed, maintaining contact, and coordinating with your community. In a world gone silent, mastering these skills can be the difference between isolation and connection, between despair and hope. Chapter 6. The body as a fortress, health and medical survival. Picture this: a world without hospitals, without doctors on call, without access to the medicines we take for granted. In a grid-down situation, your health becomes your most valuable asset.